Hi, today I'm going to talk about what is fiducial marker in physics lab experiment. Here is an experiment to investigate how does the time period depends on the amplitude in simple harmonic motion. To investigate this, here we have a diagram of our experimental situation. So we are using a retort stand over here, and you can notice a spring is attached to a load, and also we are also using the stopwatch to record the time of oscillation. So notice that over here we are using the fiducial marker, which is essentially a marker to be used as a reference point. So in this experiment, I'll be using the nail as my fiducial marker. I'll be place it at the equilibrium position, and which this mass will not be displayed. Every time I display the load and extend the spring over here to here, and then if I release it, it will pass through the equilibrium position, going up and then going back to the equilibrium position and then going down. So always put the fiducial marker at the equilibrium, because we perform this experiment in real world. There will be a damping into the system, so means that there is loss of energy into the system. It means that the amplitude will be decreased by small amount each time, so we will always aim to place our fiducial marker at equilibrium position. Here another experiment on simple harmonic motion for a simple pendulum and a mass spring system. With the pendulum, what we want to do is the change of the length of the string, and then we are going to measure the time period of its oscillation. As you can see, we are using the wooden block to hang over the thread, and the end of the thread is attached with a board. I'm using different L to measure the time taken for complete oscillation. So in this experiment, I'll be using the nail, same as the last experiment, as my fiducial marker. I'll be make sure the nail is lined up directly behind the piece of the thread when the pendulum is in equilibrium. I'm doing this experiment where the pendulum is in the front view as shown in the diagram, and I'll be looking at the eye level so that I can know that when the thread pass through the equilibrium. In conclusion, fiducial marker is a marker as a reference point in an experiment. It could be a nail or metal that's been clamped onto the stand, a line drawn at the background, or a tape that is placed on the stand. That's all for my sharing. If this video helps, please like and share it. Thank you.